Push up! I'm reminding you! I'm reminding you! On your back!
All right, Coach. Great game today, 5-0, winning against Lindenwood. You had 3 goals in the first half. You got to feel good about your guys coming back from the loss to Incarnate Word. And what exactly did you do to prepare them for this match against Lindenwood?
Well, we were able to see Lindenwood play on Friday. With our schedule, we were able to scout them a little bit, but really it was about our guys just applying a lot of the things we've talked about from preseason on. Just playing simple, and I won't tell you the style of play that we played, but it's attractive soccer. And I think once they today it kind of came together with the 3 goals in the first half. At halftime, the coaching staff still wasn't really pleased because I felt like we put our foot off the pedal a little bit. And in the second half, I was happy that even though we only scored a couple of goals, I felt like we had a lot more opportunity and chances.
Definitely. What do you think of the great play of Andy Fox over here, the freshman having 4 goals in the first 3 games so far? What do you think of that?
I think he's all of the guys we brought in, all the freshmen, and as well as James Martin, they've done a fantastic job just adjusting as well to the weather, but also just being in a new country for playing. But Andy's really he's really I think done a fantastic job just kind of committing himself to winning tackles and playing that side of the game that he's probably, with his skill set's fantastic, but sort of playing a little bit harder in the college system, and I think the fruits of his labor definitely paid off today in the last couple of games. But I'm sure he'll tell you his teammates around him as well that are able for him to be fed the ball and all that. But he's done a fantastic job, wonderful person as well, which really makes it a joy to coach. And
right. All right. Well, what do you think? What do you think you're going to cover and practice going into your first conference game against UT Permian Basin later this week? What do you?
I think a lot of the same things. I think we got to play a lot of players, which is good. We've had a pretty grueling preseason schedule, and with the amount of minutes and some injuries for the guys that had played the full games, the last 3 games, including the preseason games. So you're getting a lot of guys back from injury. I think Lindenwood's a very good team. We beat them 5-0, but I think that they're a decent team, and I think they're a team that is going to replicate what we're going to see against Permian Basin. Will have probably a little bit more attacking players, some very good players that they have. But I think we just kind of do the same thing each week and just try to get really a lot better at what we're doing.
All right. Well, thank you for visiting with us.
Appreciate
very good game. Coming in as a freshman, what do you think of coming in and immediately having 4 goals in 3 games? What do you think of that?
Yeah, I mean, it's a great start, but it's everyone really, it's not just me. I'm the lucky one who's been in the right place at the right time, but the goals come from everyone that steps on the pitch, not just me.
What adjustment do you have to make? As your coach just said, the weather and the new atmosphere here. You're in a different country. How is it different from what you had to face over there in England?
It's a lot hotter. Of course, getting here a month before the season started definitely helped though. Forming new relationships with the team, everyone's been brilliant. It's really helped me. But yeah, it's just been difficult adapting to the heat. But the training's been brilliant. They've been keeping us hydrated, and so I think I've been getting used to it, and hopefully just keep on scoring.
All right. Well, thanks for visiting with us.
Thank you very much.
Great game.
Cheers. Thank you.